first went to Face the Future clinic about 4 years ago. It was just after COVID. I'd had a really bad time with my skin over COVID and a little bit before. It wasn't in a good way at all. It really knocked my confidence, and I was desperate for some help. So I went to the clinic, saw the ladies there and had a consultation, and it was such a relief to get that personal touch. I was very emotional actually the first time that I went, and they all completely understood that. Told them what I'd been doing and using, but they just said, we're going to strip it all back and we're going to just go back to basics and get your skin health right before anything else. And that's exactly what they did. Throughout all this, they were very aware of the budget that I had, and they worked with me with that. And just over time, a trust was built. I really listened to what they said. I knew they were educated in what they were telling me, and that's what I really appreciated. So over time, my skin health has improved massively, and my confidence has just grown hugely, and I'm so incredibly grateful for that. I shop at the Face the Future because of the personal touch. It's got to be that. I love going into clinic. I just find the whole experience really lovely. But the education that they've got, it's so different. You can go online and you can be bombarded with products. And to be honest, it can be quite confusing. But you go there and it's personalised, and they're educated. They know about the products. They know about your skin because they've taken the time to do that. It's a trust thing. I trust them with my skin, and because of the trauma that I've had before, that's really important to me, that I know that the advice they're going to give me is going to be personal to me, and it's going to be spot on. I would say to myself, invest in your skin earlier than you did. I would definitely use sunscreen earlier than I did, but yeah, definitely view your skin as an investment. It's the only skin you've got. Look after it from being young. If Face the Future were around when I'd have been younger, I would have been there.